Yeah, hi. I'm going to show you how to play the B minor 7th chord on your piano or keyboard. First, let's locate the root note, the note B. Play this with your first finger. Sorry. Next note you'll need is the note D. Play this with your second finger. Next note you'll need is the note F sharp. Play this with your third finger. And lastly, we'll need the note A. Play this with your fifth finger. So there you have it, the B minor 7th chord. Now, because the B minor 7th chord is in fact a 4-note chord, you can also have what's known as 4 inversions of the chord. This inversion is called the root inversion or root note inversion because you have the root note at the bottom. To make the next inversion, simply move the bottom note B all the way to the top and move your hand. And there you have the B minor 7th chord first inversion. Let's do it again. Move the bottom note, this time D, all the way to the top. Move your hand. This is the B minor 7th second inversion. And one more time. Bottom note, this time F sharp, all the way to the top. Move your hand. This is called the B minor 7th third inversion. And now you'll notice if we do one more inversion, moving the bottom note A to the top, like this, you will in fact be back at the root inversion of the chord, only one octave higher than from where you started, right? And of course you can go the other way, downwards on the piano. This is the root inversion of the chord. Now move the top note to the bottom of the chord like this. Move your hand. So this is the third inversion of the chord. And again, the top note to the bottom of the chord. This is the second inversion of the chord. One more time. Top note to the bottom like this. This is the first inversion of the chord. And lastly, top note to the bottom. And you're back at the root inversion of the chord. Okay? So I'll just do it one more time, a bit faster. So here we have the B minor 7th chord, root inversion. Now move the bottom note to the top. First inversion. Second inversion. Third inversion. And back to root inversion, right? And the other way, starting with root inversion, top note to the bottom, third inversion, top note to the bottom, second inversion, top note to the bottom, first inversion, top note to the bottom, root inversion. Okay? Now I'm going to show you another way to do inversions with a 4-note chord. We're talking about the B minor 7th chord, right? So instead of playing all 4 notes with your right hand, now play the root note with your left hand, like this, and maybe change the fingering a bit here to make it easier to play these 3 notes. What I'll be doing now is I'll only be making inversions with these 3 notes, right? And keeping this one where it is. So, this is still the root inversion of the B minor 7th chord. Now I'm going to do an inversion here, moving the bottom note to the top, moving my hand, but I'm still going to play this root note down here. Like this, okay? I'll do a new inversion with this hand, bottom note to the top, move my hand, play the root note, like this, okay? One more inversion, bottom note to the top, move the hand, play the root note. Now you'll notice we're in fact back at the root inversion of the chord. This note is the same as this one. Okay? So let's go the other way. Root inversion, move the top note to the bottom, play the root note, Okay, one more. Top note to the bottom, root note, and one more. Top note to the bottom, and we're back in the root inversion. Okay. To practice these inversions, simply go up and down doing like this. Okay. Now, the whole reason we're doing inversions is to make your piano playing more smooth, so you don't have to move your hand all over the keyboard every time you need a new chord. So as an example, I'm just going to play for you the B minor 7th chord, moving on to an E minor 7th chord in an inversion, moving on to an F sharp 7th chord, also in an inversion, and then coming back to the B minor 7th chord in another inversion, like this. So I'm going to use this chord, B minor 7th, E minor 7th, F sharp 7th, and coming home to the B minor 7th in a new inversion. It sounds like this. Lastly, I'm going to play it a bit deeper on the keyboard. I know you can't see my left hand, but still I'm going to play this root note, and this root note. Okay. The same chord progression again. So there you have it, the B minor 7th chord. Now before you leave me today, please remember to like this video if you liked this lesson. I'm sure you did. Please do this and subscribe to my channel if you want more free videos like this. Okay, do it now guys, help me out here. Thank you, see you around. So, I hope you enjoyed this free piano lesson. If you want more free piano chord stuff, how about a free piano chord chart? Or a free chord inversion crash course? Or a free chord symbols chart? Simply go to pianochordcharts.net and download your free stuff. Click the link below and I'll see you over there. Please like this video to keep our videos free for future visitors. Thank you.